Samsung loses its number 2 spot in India's smartphone market to Vivo. Samsung has long been among the largest smartphone brands on the planet and in many countries for years. It's just lost its number 2 spot in India to Vivo. That's important because India happens to have become a larger smartphone market, in shipments, than the US, making it a critical battlefield for brands to conquer. According to a report by analytics firm Counterpoint, Xiaomi maintained its position at the top with a comfortable lead, in terms of market share. Its Redmi series of phones still fueling its sales, with over 8.5 million phones sold during the October holidays. While Samsung retained its second position in the yearly chart, it slipped behind Vivo in the fourth quarter. Anshika Jain, the research analyst at the firm, said Vivo increased its online reach with its Z and U series of mid-range phones. Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Oppo increased their offline sales points. Read, Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip may use bendable ultra-thin glass instead of plastic. In the last quarter of 2017, Samsung fell behind Xiaomi in India and has remained on the second spot ever since. It might need to rethink its strategy to avoid losing more ground. Last year, Samsung launched its M series and A series of phones in the budget, sub-$300 segment to fight a surge of devices from its Chinese rivals in that price range. The company might need to be more aggressive in its strategies such as competitive pricing to lure people away from its competitors. Last July, the Korean giant inaugurated the world's largest phone manufacturing facility in India. Earlier this month, it invested $500 million to set up a plant to manufacture displays. Hopefully, these steps might allow the company to offer more competitive prices with better specifications in the budget segment. Counterpoint's report also notes that Oppo spin-off Realm gained a lot of ground, from a 3% market share in 2018 to a 10% market share in 2019. The company released many models in the sub-$300 range, with a focus on premium design and camera performance. However, a recent report from the Economic Times suggests it. For more on this story, visit the news article link.